In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to empty junk email folder in Outlook. Clearing junk mail regularly keeps your inbox tidy, frees up storage, and reduces distractions. The junk email folder is where Outlook automatically sends messages it suspects are spam. Because those messages are often unwanted, the safest and fastest way to clean them out is to empty the folder in one go. Here's how to do it with confidence. Start by launching Outlook from your desktop. Make sure the app has a moment to fully load, especially if you haven't opened it in a while or your internet connection is catching up. If Outlook asks for credentials, go ahead and sign in to your account. If you're already signed in, you can continue. Using your usual secure sign-in method is fine here. Now, find the junk email folder in the folder list on the left side of the window. It may appear under your email account alongside Inbox, Sent Items, and Deleted Items. If the list looks collapsed, click the arrow next to your account to expand it. Be aware that Outlook labels this folder Junk Email, not Spam, so look for that exact name. If you manage multiple mailboxes, choose the correct account and then open its junk email folder. With the folder selected, decide how you want to clear it. The quickest option is to right-click junk email in the folder list and choose Empty Folder. You can also click into the folder and use Delete All at the top of the message list. Both options remove every message in junk in one action and are much faster than selecting items one by one. When Outlook prompts you to confirm, read the warning. You're being asked to permanently delete the contents of junk email. This action is intended because spam usually doesn't need to be kept, but it can't be undone easily. If you want to be extra careful, scan the list first for any legitimate messages that might have been misclassified, then proceed and confirm the deletion. That's it. Your junk email folder is now empty. As a best practice, repeat this cleanup regularly to keep your mailbox lean. If you notice frequent false positives, consider reviewing your safe senders and junk settings later so important mail lands in your inbox. And remember, some organizations allow short-term recovery of deleted items, but don't rely on that safety net. Regularly clearing junk helps Outlook run smoothly and keeps your attention on the messages that matter.